Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Today I'm going to talk about how to pack an EDC bag. So I've got the Grayman Operations pack right here, and I've got my EDC gear in here, what works for me. I've also got survival gear, which this survival gear I assemble and sell on my website. You guys probably know the Ultimate Survival Bag, and what I recommend doing is having those basic items of survival items. So I'm not going to dwell a whole lot on that. I'm going to talk more about how to pack a bag, the generalities, how to organize it, what type of bag to use, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to talk about how to pack a bug out bag, EDC bag, whatever. And really, this is not a bug out bag that you would have stashed. This is your EDC preparedness every single day, stays in your truck, goes where you go, on your back if possible. So there's first, starting off, it's so important that we just get some facts straight, right? The first thing is why would you not want a MOLLE bag? Well, or a military looking backpack. It just is not something translatable to multiple environments. You're not going to be as successful in going from a meeting to the bar to this to that to whatever, a restaurant, a lunch date, you know, whatever it is, right? You're gonna want something that's translatable from urban to rural environments both, and something that doesn't make you look like a 2A guy or a guy with a gun, you know what I mean? So, you know, if you want to use a JanSport, use a JanSport. I particularly like a bag that I can trust and rely on. That's why I have this heavy canvas Grayman Ops pack. But from there, it's so important to pack inside your items that you pack are specific to you, okay? So everybody's going to be different. Like I said, the survival basics, you know, are survival basics. So I've got some Grayman potential gear. I want to be able to change the way I look, but I also am not preparing for a crazy scenario. I'm preparing for a real scenario. So, you know, I've had to bug out several times in my life. And, you know, escape and evade multiple times in my life. You guys know my story. So carrying a hat and sunglasses is, you know, always recommended in my opinion. EDC knife, in this case, the NPE Ghost is what I chose for today. And that's because I don't know if I'm going to be going in a non-permissive environment. We've got, you know, hat and sunglasses to be able to change the look. I've got these sunglasses are Canon. In particular, I'll link all this stuff in the description below. Water's very important. So the survival bag that I sell, I also sell on the website a stainless steel survivor bottle. If you guys want to check that out, you can. Comes with compass, whistle, some extra stuff on there. Redundancy. Okay, so going from there, definitely, you know, med kit, all that kind of stuff comes in the bag. So let's talk specifically. I've got in here meds, you know, if I'm going to be going third world country, anything like that. Definitely just a full spectrum of antibiotics, different things of that nature. In case that I get sick or something, I want to be able to have, you know, different medications apart from my med kit. So that's going to be, there's going to be like prescription stuff in there. I've got water filters, all that stuff. That all is survival basics. So apart from that is the stuff that I'm going to be discussing today. One of the key or crucial things is organization. So gonna talk a little bit about organization. The way you know, you don't need a MOLLE bag to be organized. So I've got a top pocket here, and what I have in the top pocket is a little Magpul pouch. I do use these Magpul pouches. You can get a cheap version of this off Amazon, or you can get them from Walmart. I've even got some similar cloth ones that have actually held up a little bit better from Walmart. Magpul just got me because I like doing, you know, all the same look and all the same gear. So I bought the first one, and then I just had to keep buying them. So spent way too much money there. You can get a better value at Walmart, but little bags are great, right? So I've got all my cigar gear in here. I'm a cigar aficionado. I've got a cutter, I've got cigars, I've got lighter, all that kind of stuff. Something that's personal to me. I keep a couple other, you know, little bags. This one here, like I said, is the meds. Okay, this one is all the survival stuff. So this is all survival stuff that comes in my Ultimate Survival bag. It's part of the kit that I sell complete, so check that out if you're interested. That's something apart. Backpack cover. So we discussed being able to go. You might say, well, Bone, this backpack doesn't go with, you know, it doesn't blend, it's not camouflage. I immediately put the camouflage backpack cover on and it becomes camouflage. And you're like, well, shelter's so important. You mentioned water, you didn't mention shelter. This is all because all of this stuff comes with the survival kit. So we're gonna discuss what's apart from that, and we're gonna discuss packing the bag. So packing the bag, the bigger stuff like that can stay loose because it's easy to reach in there and find. And then the smaller stuff I like to have in different organizational bags that are different colors, and then I can just stuff those in and pull the organizational bag that's associated. If they're not different colors and sizes, then I can label them. That's always a good idea to label your stuff. Then I have two smaller bags here. All right, we got the food, emergency food supply. Again, this is stuff that comes with the ultimate survival bag from bonetactical.com. The stuff that doesn't come with that is what I want to personalize to my personal life, stuff that I'm going to need on a daily basis, and stuff that's for likely scenarios. So this is all kinds of electronics, chargers, battery backup, different things of that nature. And then here we've got, you know, right in the rain notebook for if I need to take notes. We've got sanitary wipes, cleaning wipes, face masks just left over, business cards, face masks left over from the whole COVID thing, or if I have to go somewhere where they require a face mask. I always like to keep a set of earplugs, and bug spray. I got a little bug spray thing in here, just random stuff that I'm actually really going to need. Zip ties, stuff like that. And then this is all personal to you. You know, if you need insulin, if you get a lot of headaches, you want to carry Tylenol, this is the type of stuff you need to think about, because I've already taken the guesswork out of the situation by offering the actual ultimate survival system, which we sell on my website, and there's plenty of room in here. This is literally the ultimate survival system right here, with a bunch of extra stuff added on top that I like to carry personally. So the tip here would be recommendation of getting some little small organizational bags, and then the other tip is don't get a bunch of frivolous stuff. Okay, I wrote a survival book, survival manual. It's also available on my website, but it talks about the important stuff: fire, water, heat, shelter, all that stuff. It's all covered already in the ultimate survival system. So what that allows you to do is just have everything you absolutely need in general, and then pack your kit to your specific needs on your daily basis. And I highly recommend that you examine your life and things that you may be needing, right? The best way to do this is just say, hey, I'm gonna go off grid for 72 hours. Go camping. Just hit the woods in 72 hours. Take your Write in the Rain notebook and write everything down. Journal. Everything that you feel like you need, everything that you ran out of, everything you didn't have enough of. And don't cheat yourself. Do 72 full hours, and you'll know then what the most important things are. And then another huge tip is go somewhere and carry your bag once you have it the way you think it's going to be, and carry it all day. Don't put it down. And I promise you, the first time you do that, you're going to take out half the stuff and not want to carry it anymore. So you're going to wish that your bag was lighter. So, you know, I've got the perfect storm, the perfect ultimate survival system, because it's the lightest, most translatable to different environment ultimate kit there, super lightweight, ready to go. And then I recommend you add the extra stuff. Just take it easy adding a bunch of extra stuff, because remember, ounces equal pounds and pounds equal pain. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you get notifications, and make sure you let me know if this is the kind of video you like. Bone out.